Good morning, happy Saturday. Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's a really chill Saturday and today I'm going downtown. I haven't been downtown in a little minute and I have not been to the Coronation Market in a long time. Coronation Market is perhaps one of the biggest, if not the biggest market in Kingston and St. Andrew. What you would call perhaps a farmer's market, right? Where you go and buy fresh produce. So I have not been to the Coronation Market in a long time. I will be honest, I tend to be a bit intimidated by the market because it's so crowded, always a lot of people, always a lot going on, and there's a lot of haggling and negotiating for prices, and it's just not particularly my scene, if I'm being real honest. So I haven't been there in a while, but I'm gonna check it out this morning. We're not gonna buy anything today, but I'm gonna check out some of the prices to see if I want to make a trip to Coronation Market every once in a while, maybe once a month here or there, just to see if I can get some fresh produce at some reasonable, affordable prices. So I'm gonna check out Coronation, but I'm also gonna take the opportunity to just walk through downtown Kingston and show you guys what downtown Kingston is looking like in 2024 if you're not from Jamaica. So we're gonna walk the streets. We're starting with the waterfront, so I'm gonna show you the scenes on the waterfront. Cool, there's a chill vibe on the waterfront, and there are benches where you can come and sit and perhaps go next door, buy some ice cream, and then come out and sit by the waterfront and eat your ice cream and chill and whatever. But the government has been making steps in rehabilitating downtown, for lack of a better word, developing downtown Kingston. All the time that I have been to a downtown in any other country, it tends to look like the prime area, you know, clean and busy and buzzing with, you know, sort of a business district type of setup. And downtown Kingston is slowly trying to get to that stage. You know, there's still a lot of work to be done in downtown Kingston, to be honest, to make it, you know, safe for tourists, safe for business travelers and that kind of thing. But some work has been done over the years and downtown is gradually looking better. So we're gonna go through the waterfront, check out the art street and center of downtown Kingston, as well as Coronation Market. So it's a hot day so if you see me sweating, don't watch that. I have a very simple fit. So when you're downtown, you kind of want to, especially when you go to Coronation Market, you kind of want to try and blend in as much as you possibly can. So I'm wearing my everyday jeans, a simple workout top. It's casual, but it also will allow me to not overheat in this hot sunny spring day in downtown Kingston. And my eyes can't deal with the glare of the sun, so I need my shades to protect my eyes. Very simple earrings, no other jewelry outside of that. So we're keeping it simple and we're gonna go for a walk. So let's go. So windy and chill by the waterfront. Nice and cool from the sea breeze. so happy we came today. Can you imagine? We just walked into an African showcase in the middle of downtown. That was so nice to see. I'm so glad we got to see that. And I'm so glad I got to show you guys. That is pretty cool. I love that we have an African festival, showcase, exhibition, whatever it is. That was nice. Anyway, let's continue with our walk through downtown. Let me ask him. The building behind me is the Ward Theatre. It looks really run down. I haven't been here in so long. I don't think I've ever been in the Ward Theatre, but as far as I know, we usually have festival song competitions there, or JCDC, Jamaica Cultural Development Corporation, usually have the high school song, dance and drama and speech competitions in this building, the Ward Theatre. I don't know if that's still happening. I'm gonna have to do some research and let you guys know, probably put some text on the screen to let you know whether or not that's the case. But it looks really run down, unfortunately. I'm led to think that perhaps we're not having those festivals at this location anymore. But this building, this blue building, used to be a really iconic landmark in downtown Kingston. Especially when I was growing up, when I was walking through the streets of downtown. My church that I grew up in is in downtown Kingston, the Wildman Street Pentecostal Tabernacle. So I used to walk these streets going to and from church on a Sunday, every Sunday. So yeah, it's interesting to see that this is what it looks like now. Now just looking at the fish. They're selling everything in these streets. Okay. Let's get that AC on. Guys, here in this or stroll in downtown Kingston, I'm like 10 shades darker. I'm sweating from head to toe. Downtown Kingston is not for the faint of heart. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Like the video if you liked it. Give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Thanks again for watching, and until the next one, take care.